Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yan ang titingnan natin. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Be careful, oo, kasi may mga nanggagaya ng ating page. Okay, so tingnan niyo kung legit ba. Yes, oo. So, ano pa? Yeah, kung mayroon din tanong pagdating sa ating mga items, so yeah, they're all available. Okay, protection from evil eye. So we have the ring. This is adjustable, yung ring natin. Okay, and meron ding bracelets and necklace. Okay, yung necklace natin is ganito. Unisex, actually. So maliit lang yung pendant niya, as you can see. Okay, and kung merong gustong ma-fix pagdating sa situation in love, so si love bracelet naman, yung pwede ko mai-recommend. And pwede rin sa singles, no? And syempre, sa mga manifestations, o mga gustong mag-grant, oo, yung kanikan lang mga minamanifest. So, si granter po. Si granter yung para sa'yo. Yes, oo. So, ano siya? Front and back. Okay, so yeah. This is made to order, by the way. Okay. And ang ating cord cut. So yeah, available. Okay. So again, dito tayo kay granter. So si granter tagapagbigay rin ng mga surprises. Okay, so yes. So let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua? Okay. Eight of Swords in reversed. The High Priestess. Somebody will share their secrets with you. Yes, somebody will share their secrets with you. So, I don't know kung ano, pero yeah, in general, merong mag-share, okay, sa'yo ng kanilang sikreto. Two of Swords. Okay. Oh no. So, kailangan mo itago. Oo. Kasi ito ay masyadong delicates. Delicates. So, kanya-kanya, kailangan itago. So, meaning to say, pinagkakatiwalaan ka ng taong mag-share ng sikreto sa'yo. Okay? So, what else for air signs? The Tower in reversed. The Six of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, meron ka ditong hindi maia-avoid na sabihin nating somebody from the past. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng re-replyan mo if ever na mag-reach out, mag-message sa'yo. Hindi mo siya ma-avoid eh. Okay? There's this something or somebody from the past na magbabalik. Okay? Na hindi mo kayang i-avoid. Yeah, the Six of Cups in reverse. Some of you, sabihin nating magkokos pa rin ng hindi tama or trauma, I think. Okay? So, Nine of Pentacles in reversed. The Queen of Swords. I'm hearing loans. Ma-approve na loans. Loan. May ma-approve na loan. Oo. Okay. So, some of you nakikita ko, magbubuk ng flight. That's specific. May magbubuk ng flight. Somebody, meron din ako nakikita rito na pwedeng may magbabayad. Okay, yes. Bills, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, ano tong Queen of Swords? The Six of Pentacles, yeah. Okay, so may babayaran. Or pwede kung ikaw ito, yung kailangang bayaran. So, siguro, may magbabayad sa'yo. Okay? Kung merong mga energy na merong nagkakautang sa'yo, pwedeng bayaran ka. Yeah. Or kung ikaw itong nagkakautang, sabihin natin may chance na makapagbayad ka na. Okay? That's nice. So, there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So, let's see. Ano bang mensahe, gabay, prediction ang kailangan mong malaman? Fire signs. Fire signs. Let's see. Queen of Pentacles. Ace of Cups in reversed. Ikaw itong magiging open or present sa isang tao, sabihin nating aksayahin lang naman niya ikaw. O, diba? Straightforward. Yeah. Ikaw itong mag-i-invest sa isang tao na hindi naman magiging seryoso patungkol sa'yo. Hindi siya magiging seryoso sa'yo, I mean. Yeah, the Fool in reversed. Iba sa inyo, sabihin nating parang kailangan mong merong i-double check. I don't know, like background checking. I'm hearing background checking. Okay, so I don't know kung ano yun. Before ka mag-invest ng feelings mo, I guess. Sa kung kanino, kung sino, yeah. Do the background checking. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Ay, oh yes. Ito alam mo, kailangan mo mag-background check sa kung sino man yung gusto mong makakonect. Okay, kasi baka mamaya meron siyang something na hindi maganda sa paas niya. Lagi naman, like sabihin natin yung mabigat. Ayaw natin yun. Baka mapasa sa atin. Okay, baka mapasa. Yes. The trauma. Mga ganyan. Okay, I don't know. Lalo na kung ikaw itong parang nagiging okay na or sabihin natin nag-heal ka naman ng iyo. Then, ayaw natin magbabalik sa hindi okay, di ba? Yeah, matatamaan ka dun, madadali ka dun eh. What else? Seven of Swords. The Queen of Cups in reversed. Sneaky. This is selfishness I'm getting. Somebody will reject you, or maybe you'll reject somebody. Anyway, yeah, the Star in reversed. What's with this Seven of Swords? Somebody is sneaky, or sabi natin stalking you. Parang may ganyan, may nag-stalk, mayroong nagtitingin. Anyway, yeah, the Three of Cups in reversed. Be careful who you trust. Fire signs, be careful who you trust. Some of you, kung sino man ito, nasa small circle lang kayo. Okay? I'm hearing a group chat na pwedeng hindi ka kasali. Pwedeng meron kayong group chat ng mga to, pero meron pang isang group chat na hindi ka kasali. I don't know. Okay? Yan, the Emperor in reverse. Meron ditong sabihin nating pwedeng gamitin ka. Ito sa workplace. Okay? Pwedeng gamitin ka sa something like, hoy, baka naman ganto, ganyan. Kasi they see you somebody who's so kind. Okay? Mata-take advantage yung iba. Yeah. Yung parang after nang may magawa ka for them, parang wala ka na. Parang ganun. Yung mga nang babackstab sa'yo actually. What else? Fire signs. The Hanged Man. The Fool. Okay, may narinig ako. Secret getaway. I don't know kung ano yun. A getaway. Planning na magkaroon ng travel. Some of you, may chance na pwedeng may magpaplano sa inyo pagdating sa travel. Okay? to meet somebody, I guess. Or you'll meet somebody sa travel na yon. The 8 of Wands in reverse. Reschedule. May naririnig ako, reschedule. Iba sa inyo na palagi lang nasa bahay, ina-advise na lumabas-labas ka daw paminsan-minsan. I don't know why. And Queen of Wands in reverse. Merong madi-develop sa'yo, I think, some of you. Like physically, or something in general, merong madi-develop sa'yo. May magle-level up. Okay? I don't know kung ano yun. That's too general. May mga madi-discover ka, ay parang, ay kaya ko palang gawin yun. Something like that. Ay kaya ko pala yun. Mga ganong bagay. Anyway, so there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, water signs. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below ang kanyang link. Okay. So, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. The 5 of Pentacles. The 8 of Wands. May nakikita ko dito, lilipat ng bahay. They need you. Yeah, they need you. Your kaperahan, sabihin natin may progress akong nakikita because of this. The 10 of Pentacles from 5. And then may 8 of Wands, meaning mayroong action or mayroong energy na pwedeng pa-increase. Something like that. Okay. Some of you, ikaw ito magkakaroon ng bagong plano or new source of income. Okay. What else? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. What is that? Some of you have to watch your spending. Watch your spending. Okay, the Lovers. Some of you gagastos ka patungkol sa iyong karelasyon. May paggastos. Okay? Gagastusan mo siya. Again, the Page of Pentacles. Sabihin nating yeah, this is Page of Pentacles. I don't know kung ikaw itong nagsabi na sa kanya. Okay? Some of you, magkakaroon kayo ng discussion about money. Okay? Pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng discussion about money. Not argument. Pero yeah, discussion. Some of you, ikaw itong mag-i-invest. Iba dito, pwedeng magbukas ng new bank account. Okay? Partnership for some of you. Okay, what else for water signs? The 6 of Wands in reverse. Oh. This is energy of jealousy, I think. Chariot. Okay, there's this fire sign who is jealous. Feeling jealous sa'yo. Okay, lalo na kung merong something na nangyayari pagdating sa iyong sa'yo in general. Okay. Why the Chariot? What's with this Chariot? Ito this is specific. This is specific, not for all. Pagdating, sino may mga alaga dyan, may mga pets. Some of you, nagkakaselusan. Oh, okay. Pagdating sa mga pets, Meron dito nagkakaselosan. I don't know why. Kasi pwedeng merong sasama or merong pwedeng hindi isasama. I don't know. Parang may ganun. Something like, yeah, yung isa is may iwan. Parang ganun. And merong isasama. I don't know, ha? Okay. Anyway, so in general, merong nagseselos sa'yo kasi meron ng mga nangyayari, I think, or be careful sa pagsasabi ng mga plano mo, okay? Kasi the jealousy, oo, pwedeng mag-cause ng sabihin nating batuhan kanila ng evil eye. See, the devil in reverse. Okay, avoid natin na mag-share, oversharing, no? Ng mga plano. Yes, okay. So, next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is for you? Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, while I'm shuffling, please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button. Yes. Okay. Earth signs. What's for you? Earth signs. Two of Swords. Okay. The Hierophant. May naririnig ako. Torn. Meron ding parang naiipit sa dalawang naiipit sa dalawang batong nag-uumpugan. The Three of Swords. So, avoid mo na ikaw ay makompromise, Earth signs. Avoid na makompromiso. If ever. Okay? Check your skeds. Check your notes. If ever. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Avoid ninyo. Double check the schedules. Double check. Some of you, meron kayong hindi pa nakikita or meron pang hindi nababasa dito. Okay? Yeah, a message na hindi nyo pa nababasa. I don't know. Okay? Some of you, there's this air sign or Taurus na parang feeling nila ina-avoid mo sila, or pwedeng ikaw itong parang feeling nila is nagiging, sabihin natin, avoidant. Okay, meron kang ina-avoid na i-share sa kanila, parang feeling nila there's this something na kailangan mong i-share, pero yeah, hindi ka nagiging open. Some of you, merong mga concerned citizen. Concerned netizen. Diba? Sa'yo. Oo, Earth signs. Ano ba nangyari kay Earth signs? Something like that. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. The Earth signs. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Some of you, ito kung meron kayong mga hindi nagagawa, parang feeling mo napaka-down or parang hindi okay ngayon, mayroong mga tao na parang wini-wish na sana ako na lang si Earth sign. Like that. That's specific. May mga taong nagwi-wish na sana ikaw na lang siya. Parang ganon. Siya na lang ikaw. Parang ganon. Even though nandiyan yung insecurity, some of you, may mga taong nakikita yung sabihin natin good side or positive side mo. Okay, anyway. Yeah. Sounds so cliche. Anyway, so I'm hearing some of you mababago na yung way mo on how you manage your finances. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, matututo ka na. Yeah, the Justice in reverse. Ikaw na itong parang the Ace of Pentacles. Ikaw na itong matututong maghumindi. Okay? Humindi. Oo. Parang ganun Like, I don't know. Some of you, responsibilidad mo ang iyong sarili. Okay? So, what else? Wag mo daw iasa na lang sa fate. The Six of Swords in reversed. I'm hearing, meron ako nakikita ditong energy na pwedeng may marireject na loan. Or ikaw itong pipigilan mo yung sarili mong mag-loan. Six of Swords in reverse, Death in reversed. The Four of Wands, Temperance, struggles is here. It's like pabalik-balik. Parang gusto kang matuto pa. Okay? Ni universe. Parang china-challenge ka lately. Chine-check kung talagang pasensyosa ka. Nandyan yung energy ng leveling up. Okay? Some of you, talagang ikaw itong parang totally inaaral mo yung mga dapat mong aralin, makita, malaman, parang ganyan. Some of you, ikaw itong parang nabubisit na bang kailangan kong gawin. Something like that. So, pinaghahanda ka lang ni universe sa pagdating sa leveling up. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, Judgment. And Hermit in reverse. So, parang hindi mo malaman kung anong gagawin mo eh. Pero eventually, unti-unti, makaka-survive. Okay? Makaka-survive. So, some of you, there's this, okay. Yeah. Yung energy is like, something from the past. Okay? Or someone from the past. Ano bang meron dito? Three of Pentacles. Merong dito makikipag-usap or maybe makikipag-ayos. Something like, yeah, talking about delays. Talking about sa kung anong na-delay before, hindi nangyari before, parang mabobrought up, parang ganyan. Masisimulan muli or mabubuksan muli, parang ganyan. Magkakaroon ng new door of opportunity, parang ganyan. Another chance, parang ganyan. I don't know. Okay. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Goodbye.